Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I want to thank you for watching. This video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this week's giveaway is it's about an email list building training course. I'm going to get to it in just a moment, but I do have a confession that I want to make. Confession is that I lost the link. I just can't find it, and so this week I'm sorry there's no giveaway. No, I'm just kidding. The story behind my confession, you might say, is that each week when I do a giveaway, sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 giveaways until I can find one that I like, that I feel like is worthy enough to give away. So I do some research, and I try to make sure that I come up with a giveaway that has some value. When I do find a giveaway, what usually happens is then almost every time I find one, it's like, wow, this is the best one ever. And I don't normally say that, but that's the feeling that I get. Well, this week, that's the feeling that I got as well. And this time, I'm going to say it. This is probably the best giveaway ever. So pay attention, because this is one you really don't want to miss out on. Now, my giveaway, the name of my giveaway is Email Profits Academy, and I'm also going to be giving you a free list building website as well. Now, the Email Profits Academy is probably the most complete training that you're going to find, especially free, for list building. So and it comes with resale rights, so that means that you can use it for yourself. You can use it for your personal use to help you to build your list, and there's some other ways that I'm going to share with you that it's going to help you as well as far as list building. But you can use it for that, and you can also use it in order to build your list. There's 9 training modules. 9 modules. It's going to take you step by step, pretty much from A to Z as far as email marketing, as far as list building goes. It's going to take you right through the whole process and give you the information and the help that you need. And you get those 9 modules actually in both PDF, textual type form, as well as video form. In addition, you're going to be able to use this to build your list as well as make money. You're going to get a lead magnet. You're going to get a giveaway in order to help you to build your list, in order to help you to sell this product if you want to resell it. You're going to get a sales page. I'm going to give you a link in just a little bit to all this stuff, and it's all free. It's 100% free. Do not underestimate the value just because it's free. It's really an outstanding value, and there is no email required. It's a download. I'll give you a link to the download page, and it'll have all this information on it. But in order to work with some of this stuff, you're going to get an email campaign, for example. There's going to be 8 pre-written emails that are also included. Well, in order to work with with those emails, you're going to need to convert them from PDF to HTML, or you're going to have to modify them in the PDF format. I'm going to give you links to tools such as Sejda, Correctio, and AbleWord, and these are tools that will help you that'll help you to work with your PDF so you can make the changes that you need to make. You're also going to get banners, you're also going to get images, you're going to get e-covers, and you're going to get resale rights, and you're going to get the kitchen sink. Well, you're not going to get the kitchen sink, but you're going to get everything but the kitchen sink. In addition, you're going to be getting a free list building website. As I say, no strings attached, so enjoy. The link to all this is the download page and all the information that you need. I'm going to give you a link right now. The link is https://cutley.email-lifestyle. https://cutley.email-lifestyle. So if you want an email lifestyle, this will get you started. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give us a big old thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. Hit that like button, and while you're at it, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Smash the subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, YouTube's going to notify you when these videos get published. I do want to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.